Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Andrew, Senior Printer and Cheetah Operator in Marsuno Creative, the largest DTG facility in Southern California. And today I'll be teaching you how to clean the wiper blades and the wet cap station on the Cheetah. When you're cleaning the Cheetah, there's no real particular order in what you want to start first. But for this video, we will be doing the wiper blades first. In order to clean the wiper blades, you will have to manually click the wiper blade option on the Cheetah program. Once the wiper blades move, you will have to manually pick off the ink buildup on the blades. If you do not do this, the head will scrape under the blades and will get stuck under it. This is a very important step and you have to make sure it's clean. For our next step, we will be cleaning the wet cap station. In order to get to the wet cap station, you will need to manually click the carriage release option under the maintenance on the Cheetah program. What this will do is the head will slightly move over and you will manually have to move the head and the wet cap station will be revealed. Once the wet cap station is revealed, you will have to clean all the fluids spilled throughout the day. For example, there will be ink and lint built up on top of the wet cap station that you will need to clean. If you do not clean this, the head, when it passes by, will pick up those dirty particles and spray it on the shirt and your prints will not come out solid. Once you've cleaned the top of the wet cap station, what you will need to do is hit it with the wet cap solution. You have to apply a generous amount on top of the wet cap station and hit carriage release on the Cheetah program. What carriage release does, it allows the head to manually move back to its original position. After that, you will have to turn off the Cheetah program, which allows the wet cap station to touch the heads. After that, the cleaning process is complete. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next. Also, all of our social media links will be in the description box down below. All the equipment seen in this video will also be linked down below. Feel free to hit us up at our email at hello@marsuno.com. This has been Andrew, and thank you so much for watching.